going on YouTube? This is Liberty Tech here, back with another video, and I'm here to give you a quick review and my thoughts on the GTR 3 Pro. Now, this watch does not get enough advertising, or it doesn't get enough videos with the other big watches up there. I wish they would, but yeah. So straight to the point, this watch is amazing, and it retails for $229. Now, at the time I got this watch, they had a sale. I don't know if it was, I think it was a holiday sale, so I got it for roughly around $179, which the packed features that it comes with is well worth it compared to, say, my Apple Series 4 watch, which I currently don't really wear much because it's hard to justify the price of a $400 to $500 watch when you can pretty much get the same features in this watch right here for way less of the price. And so we're gonna go over the specs here. So this baby has a 1.5 inch screen, AMOLED screen. It has 70.6% ratio, so the screen is pretty big. 1000 nits for brightness, so when you're out there in the sun, no matter what time of day it is, you can see what's on the screen. And also the PPI of this watch is 331, so pretty crisp for the watch size, the screen size it has, and for an AMOLED. So just quickly, so this is the box, fairly simple. This is the original band it comes with. As you can see, when I show you my watch, it has a different band because you are able to change it. Now, it's not as easy as, say, the Apple Watch to change the bands, but as long as I'm able to customize with my watch, I'm happy. So as you can see on the front, it says advanced biometer, all-around health tracking, 150 sports mode. Well, other watches really has 150 sports mode for this price, or even over 100 sports modes. And it has music storage and playback, so that's a plus. So just go put that off to the side. So this is my watch right here, the Amazfit GTR 3 Pro. As you can see, I did change my band. I love it. You can get bands for this. I think it's a 22 millimeter. You can get this off of Amazon, about a pack of 10 for about 20 bucks or less. So yeah, I always buy my bands off of Amazon. I don't, like, for example, the Apple Watch, I don't buy the bands from Apple Store unless it's some limited edition one or something. But other than that, I do go on Amazon and buy my bands for cheaper. People can't tell, and they do last fairly a long time without any issues. So let's quickly get into the watch here. So like other watches such as, again, Apple Watch, you have Siri. Well, this has built-in Alexa. Not too many Android watches or Android type watches have that. This is not Android based, but it's similar in a sense. It does work on iOS and Android because of the Zepp app, which it's running the Zepp software. As you can see right here, powered by Zepp right there. And so it has its own custom UI and things like that. So the thing I like about it is the design. The design is beautiful. It doesn't feel cheap at all. You have two buttons here. You can use this as a scroll wheel, so you don't really have to touch the screen. So looking at the screen here, you do have your main screen here, where it shows you the time, how much calories you burn, the power you have left, and getting to that, this is what makes this watch stand out from the others. So you have all these features in here, all these sensors, and yet you are able to get 12 days of battery life on minimal usage, 7 days, a little bit under 7 days with heavy usage, and up to 30 days with battery save mode. So again, you're spending $229 for a watch you barely have to charge. And so it comes into a situation where if you were to go on a road trip or a vacation for at least a week or so, you don't have to worry about carrying your charger. And also the charging on this thing is a little bit under 2 hours, so it's not too bad. 2 hours for 7+ days, I mean, you can't really beat that. So moving on, you have so when you squeeze down, you have your pre-selected watch faces that you can download from the app, which I will show you here. So you'll download the Zepp app when you get this watch. So when you set up the watch, it's going to give you a QR code to download the app, but essentially this is it right here. So it tells you your stats, your tracking, your heart, your oxygen level, your steps, and I mean, everything is all there. One gripe I do have, this happened also with Apple back in the day, where you would move your arms and it would count it as steps. Well, even driving as well. So I have a little clip here I'm going to show you. So driving to work, leaving the house, I took 60 something steps. Reaching work, it went up to about 640 something steps. So yeah, they need to fix that. I'm pretty sure that can be done software wise, and hopefully, yeah, they get that fixed in the future. But other than that, everything is straightforward. You go to profile if you want to see how many days. Right now I'm currently at 47% with 8 days without charging. So there you go. And like, for example, when I took it off the charger the first day, it took 6 hours just for it to drop 1%, whereas Apple, I would be around, if it was 6 hours, probably take like 15% down already or more. And so yeah, I was able to encourage people to, you know, switch over to this watch. Why spend $400 when you can get everything you want in this watch? So pretty much you'll go through, you know, you have multiple settings, which also helps with the battery life. You are able to, you know, receive phone calls in this one. Not in the GTR, regular GTR, you're not able to receive calls. You can see it on your screen, but you're not able to answer it. You can decline it, I believe, or mute it, but you can't answer it. The music on here, the speakers are pretty good. You know, not too many watches allow you to store music on here and listen to it without, you know, connecting earbuds and whatnot. So overall, you know, it's a great watch. Another gripe I do have is with the weather. As you can see, it was updated at 9:26. You know, so it goes on and off. Like I'll wake up the next day and then the weather would say hasn't been updated since yesterday. So hopefully, again, they can fix that via software and get that situated with. Also, I noticed that when it's nighttime, you won't see an animation of like the moon or anything. That's another thing that's been happening since the other watch I have from Amazfit called the T-Rex Pro. Not the T-Rex Pro, the original T-Rex. And it'll be nighttime and you'll look at the weather and it still shows the sun. I wish they would try to fix that. Other than that, this watch is great. I love how easy it is to use. Your notification, you just pull up and all your notifications are there. Swipe left, you have your steps, how many minutes you stood up, and etc., your heart rate. And the great thing about this is you can do, what it does is your heart rate, your sleep, your stress, all in one sitting. If you decide to do that, if you want to test that out. And it gives you goals and stuff. Let me see if I can play some music on here. Hopefully no copyright. So yeah, that's the music on there. Very, very loud. I love it. And like I said, this watch does not get enough recognition. Hopefully others, whoever see this video, go out, check their website. You can't go wrong with it. I rarely see any bad reviews on this watch to the videos that are out there. Shout out to Amazfit for making a great watch. And they're not even they're not like an old company. They just started out like maybe like 3, 4, 5 years ago. So, you know, they're doing pretty good and their user base is expanding. So go check this watch out, guys, if you want it. I'll leave a link down below if you want to check it out some more. And thanks for watching. This was my quick review. I hope it was quick. Please hit that thumbs button. And that's it. Peace out, guys.